Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Alex with Finite to Freedom, and it's Monday, currently 6:15 a.m. UK time. We have done a little bit of a research during after midnight, actually, so during the night and the morning, and we have found these specific articles that I'm about to bring you right now. So let's jump straight away into the main screen and let's see what it is about. So first of all, I hope everyone has had a fantastic weekend and you did what you wanted to do during the weekend, and I hope you had lots of fun out there. Now, the market has opened. It is open actually, and it's time to do business. So what I'm going to show you before this is my account. I am currently $147.70 down, but I had money aside and I bought 20 shares of Webull. It's a new platform. It's an American platform and it came to UK as well. I've downloaded it. You can see it down here, and I'm ready to test it. I think they have done an amazing job, which it kind of I'm kind of considering it if I'm going to keep the Robinhood or if I'm going to start with Webull and then keep my eToro as well. I've put £150, I think, something like that. Let's discuss about it. I've put $170 on eToro, and I've bought BBAI as well there too. Now, I'm the type of person that I'm going to search about platforms, and eToro has been through my whole journey, the last, well, including this year, so for 2 years, because let's take out the months that I've taken the time off and I didn't invest. That was last year from August till December, apologies. So I'm thinking about it. I haven't really come to conclusion. So if I do it, I will come back on another video and I'm going to present to you the Webull platform. I think it's perfect. It's way much better than Robinhood. It has loads of diagrams that I can actually help with the stock market and the technical analysis. So to me personally, it looks like a much better platform. But that doesn't mean that I don't like Robinhood. I just can't keep 3 platforms as it is a lot of work. So I don't know yet. I might keep them all. I might keep all 3 of them. I don't know. So it's just that Robinhood doesn't provide me to drag lines or make resistances and stuff from what I know. But I need to do a little bit of more research so then I can come to a conclusion and let you guys know. But other than that, I bought $16.33. I think Webull is going to do well, and yeah, I'm really excited. So I've got 2 news here, guys, that I want to share with you. Nvda AMD's China AI chip sales. Apologies. Nvda AMD's China AI chip sales deal with US, a bullish sign for AI-related tech stocks, Wedbush. So this was uploaded on 14th of August, and it just crossed to my Seeking Alpha page, and I noticed it yesterday. So, Wedbush said a reported US deal to allow Nvidia and Advanced Micro Devices to secure export licenses to sell their AI chips in China in exchange for a 15% cut of the profits, takes down a key barrier of growth in the AI revolution, and is another bullish sign for AI-related tech stocks heading into the next 12 to 18 months. What I think that means is that as long as US takes 15% cut from the profits, then they allow to them to sell them to China, which is a great actually deal. 15% is not much, right? To not destroy the relationship for these big tech companies. So Nvidia reportedly will share 15% of revenue from sales of its H20 AI accelerator in China. So with this way, Nvidia has, I think they have agreed with the 15% cut, and they will carry on their cooperation with China, while AMD is expected to contribute an identical share from its MI308 chip revenues. So, what they said, while the deal itself is highly unusual and will continue to create many questions in the tech legal community, the end result is another major growth catalyst not just for Nvidia and AMD, but the overall US big tech ecosystem and derivatives of the derivatives. Let's search about this word, what it actually means. Derivative meaning. So what it means, having a value deriving from an underlying variable. Okay, something which is based on another source. Okay, an arrangement or product whose value derives from and it's dependent on the value of an underlying asset such as commodity or currency or security. There we go, we learned another word apparently. Of the AI revolution, said analysts led by Daniel Eves. The analysts added that if US President Donald Trump kept the H20 chip blockade, this essentially would have handed Huawei $15 billion per year on a silver platter, its AI chip opportunity, and would have been a major competitive advantage for Beijing and a self-inflicted wound by the US government. So I think that's a great deal, to give 15% cut from your revenue or profits, and then you can carry on the cooperation with China and the sales will be as normal. So in this AI arms race between the US and China, it's a careful balance by Trump to focus on national security issues and policy while making sure we do not clip the wings of do not clip the wings of the best tech companies in the world. Focus on the AI revolution, said the analysts. I think that is great. That is massive news that can actually help the stock market to carry on being bullish. The tech companies such as Nvidia and AMD, and we will see at the opening of the market what is going to happen. And I'm going to be back at 5 p.m. UK time, guys. Changed a little bit my shift of my work. And then the next one is, if the Fed cuts, will financial conditions ease to COVID levels? The markets are expecting the Fed to cut at its September meeting, kicking off another rate cut cycle. But financial conditions are already loose, according to Goldman Sachs. Looking at the chart below, other than the period around the 2021 mini bubble, US financial conditions haven't been this easy in the post-COVID era. That was by Tony Pasquariello, if I pronounced it correctly, guys. I'm not familiar with all the names. A global head of hedge funds coverage at Goldman said, given that stock prices are the largest component here, I wouldn't necessarily argue this portends higher stock prices, he said, but viewed through the interplay of the financial markets and the economy, I certainly don't read it as a bearish signal. This is the chart, and he doesn't actually believe that this is a bearish signal. So this is great news actually to open up the market today, and I can't wait to see how the market will perform. And this is the two news that I wanted to provide you guys. Now, hit the subscription button down below to help us grow as a community and as a family, and make more videos out there that they can reach through YouTube to more people and actually benefit them with all this noise that exists in the stock market right now and everywhere, that we hear loads of assumptions about prices, where the stocks can go. Nobody can predict where the market can go, guys. That's for sure. Anyone who says to you that, you can turn around and tell them like, okay, put your money there if you believe that, and let me see the results. That's what I do. If someone comes to me and says, oh, you know what, I believe this stock can go to $500, okay, go do it. And if it does, then I can believe, and I'll start investing. I don't want to lose my money. I don't want to invest rationally or believe any person who's just giving assumptions or prices that they don't even believe about it. So why would I? So as you can see here, guys, I'm not doing that. I'm just reading news. I'm paying attention to the stock market. I'm giving you the technical charts, but I always have to what's it called, the case scenarios. That's the word that I was looking for. I'm always giving the two possible case scenarios, right, through the market, because we can't predict where the market can go. So we just minimize the risk as much possible as we can. So hit the like button down below as well. I forgot to mention that if you hit the bell notification, you can turn on the notifications and you can actually be informed with our next video every time, or when we start going live. That's work in progress, by the way. I want to believe that from Saturday we can actually start going live, and this is going to be awesome. Right, so hit the like button, guys, because when we do have a video of 100 likes, that video, YouTube is gonna take it and suggest it to a bigger audience, so more people can be informed and have legit information, right? We don't want to do anything fake or provide anything at all that is not going to be is not going to have transparency and honesty, right? So I'm going to leave you guys with this. This is another video, and I have to get ready for work, unfortunately, but thankfully as well. It has the positives and it has the negatives as well. So that's it for me, guys. Have a wonderful morning and hope you like the video, and I'll see you on our next video after 5 p.m. Take care, guys, and until then, bye bye.